Imagine this. You are throwing a house party, music blasting, lights flickering, and a shady looking guy approaches you, telling, "Hey, I'm your friend Alex." He even shows a card mentioning that he is Alex. Would you let him inside without checking his face first? Probably not, right? KYC verification works the same way. It's a process to make sure that the information provided by the user is genuine and is not being used for fraud, scam, or worse, for which the users need to submit documents and IDs as per the requirement. Now, does this mean you won't be able to use the services of Calilio after buying its subscriptions? Not at all. You can still enjoy the services, but with certain limitations that resets every 24 hours. Now, the users without KYC verification are categorized into 3 tiers based on IP or country inconsistencies, abnormal or high call message volume, internal risk signals, and so on. Low risk users, like trusted friends at the party, who can enjoy the services but with certain limitations. Medium risk users, watched a bit more closely. If they don't verify their identity when the company asks, the company steps in. High risk users must verify their KYC immediately within 48 hours, and if not, their accounts could be suspended within 14 days and then deleted. The company continuously monitors the user's activities. If unusual behavior is detected, KYC may be requested. Anyone clearly attempting fraud or cheating is immediately blocked. In short, KYC verification is like a smart party host, keeping an eye out for the troublemakers while letting everyone enjoy the party safely.